Hello everyone, there is some great news about the much-awaited Google Pixel Fold, which I will tell you right now, but be sure to hit the subscribe buttons so you won't miss any future updates. Foldable phones are considered to be a futuristic item out of reach for most buyers until now. Samsung is now on its third Galaxy Fold Z, a more cheap folding phone aimed at the general public. While we've been hearing rumors of a Google Pixel Fold for over a year, recent reports claim Google is now ready to take on Samsung. Yes, recent sources say that Google Pixel Fold will be introduced within the next few months after what seems like 3 years of rumors. The foldable Pixel phone, codenamed Passport, could arrive before the end of the year, according to leaks from a trusty resource on Twitter. Furthermore, 9 to 5 Google has discovered proof of a second Pixel Fold, or at the very least an improved variant of a Google Pixel Fold. Maybe called Google Pixel Flip. There is no concrete information about any device or whether there are two in development, but it's surely a good indication. There have been multiple reports about Google testing a folding Pixel phone with the yet-to-be-released Android 12 version. During the testing, a new feature in Android API called Posture was revealed. Positions like opened, closed, half-closed, flipped, and hinged are all controlled by Posture on a folding phone. While this may not be included in Android 12, it will very certainly be added in the first follow-up version to Android 12.1. By the way, if you have seen this video till now, then like to the video and sub to the channel would be awesome. If the impending Pixel 6 Pro is any evidence, Google will be all in on the foldable phone and will most likely release a competitive device that can compete with Samsung's latest and finest Fold 3. However, based on the information now available, it's unclear whether Google would announce the Fold alongside the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro or wait until later in the year. In any case, it appears that the Google Pixel Fold is real and will be released in the coming months. We should be thankful to Samsung who innovate this awesome device, not just for prototype level, but for the general public, and improved a lot. That is why we are seeing awesome competition from other phone makers companies like Huawei, Xiaomi and Google. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below as the video comes to its end. I will see you again very shortly. Until then, take care.